Hi, Corinne. This is Patty. Say, I was watching your observation, and when you were wanting to take a survey of the students and whether or not they would be able to live with their computer or not, or would they be able to live with their iPhone or their iPod or not, or if they would be able to live without different apps on the computer or not. I just thought that maybe you didn't know that you can change the polling features in Blackboard. So it defaults to this yes or no, but if you go into your tools and then you go down to polling, you can choose different pollings to end up either getting a yes, no, which is the green check mark or the red X, or you can also change it to multiple choice. Now, I just want to let you know that if you do keep it at the yes, no, which is kind of what you were asking the kiddos to do in the chat area, you don't actually have to have them chat it to you. If they want to go ahead and give you a yes or a no, you can, one, hide the responses. So again, if they want to keep it personal, you uncheck this because it always defaults to checked. If you uncheck that, then nobody else is going to be able to see if the kids said yes or no. Then after that, once you give them sufficient time to actually be able to click the green X, the green check mark for yes or the red X for no, you can actually publish the results to the whiteboard and it will do it for you. You don't have to worry about doing any quick calculations, which is kind of, just a time consumer. So as you can see, I was 100% being the only person in the room. So I just thought that that would be interesting to you if you ever do that activity again. You don't have to have them chat it to you where you're trying to frantically put down the yeses and the nos and then try to crunch the numbers. So let me show you how you can change it to a different polling type. So A, B, C, D is also a very common one that lots of people use if you wanted to have a multiple choice kind of checkpoint in the middle of the lesson. So you would say have some sort of question up on the whiteboard where then there's an A, B, C, D option to choose from. Again, the students can then choose their answer. I am still making it anonymous because this is not checked. So nobody can see anybody else's answers. So say the answer was fictitiously B. Then I can go up to my polling and I can now publish again the results to the whiteboard and it does the math for you, obviously 100%, 1 out of 1. So I just thought that that would be interesting. I'm not sure if you knew about this in Blackboard, but I hope this is helpful. Thank you.